we can do per person average. We can do all of our metrics on food and beverage using the per person. We can do efficiency reports on how much food and beverage and movie tickets we're selling per screen, which is something we had to do manually with a spreadsheet before. We're even able to take our guest satisfaction, which is triggered by the movie theater point of sale, and merge that in with the food and beverage, and we were able to see which server was involved with which piece of feedback we get from our guests. So it's an incredibly powerful tool to bring all of that information together. Spend a lot less time doing spreadsheets. We have a lot more confidence in our reporting because we're not manually transcribing things. The old process was to take a spreadsheet, copy that data into an email, then email that to our accounting team, who would then copy that information into a spreadsheet. I wish I was kidding about that. So there's an enormous amount of quality of life there. It gives up-to-date information to our people. Our leadership team are real data nerds, and they're very heavily engaged with this. One of the owners actually built his own labor tracking tool. And it's all full of standard deviations and coefficients and constants. And that's all loaded into Maris, and so we can just run it like that.